Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to send a Snapchat message to someone who isn't on your friends list. It's a nifty trick, so let's dive right in. First, open your Snapchat app. There you will land on the camera screen as usual. Next, snap a picture or record a short video using the camera. This will be the content of your message. Then click on Next. Tap on the search bar at the top and type in the username of the person you want to send a message to. If you don't know their username, you might need to ask them first. Once you have found the person, tap on the name to open a chat window. Now you can click on the arrow button to send the snap you created. If you want to add a text message along with your snap, just type it in your chat and you can make your message more personalized this way. When you're ready, hit the send button and your snap will be on its way. Even if the person isn't on your friends list, they'll receive your message. And there you have it, you have successfully sent a snap message to someone who isn't your friend. It's a handy feature for reaching out to a new contact or sending fun snaps to a colleague. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Snapchat tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.